menarik malam ini, Malam Kemuncak Bintang Kaca 2015 menemui anda sejurus selepas ini. Teruskan kesetiaan anda bersama Preview.
Hey, what's up? It's Kevin and Intan on Preview.
Hi! By the way, Kevin, we have something special for our audience dekat rumah kan? Apa dia?
Now, you can win yourself RM100 worth of vouchers from Chatime Malaysia.
Ting, ting, ting. Lepas tu, bolehlah terus ke drive-thru mereka dan dapatkan chatime anda banyak guna voucher tu.
Well, Intan, if you are the winner, you have to promise to buy me drinks from now on.
Okeylah, belanja guna voucher. Good deal. By the way, on our Insta preview tonight, something special going on about our Piala Malaysia.
Yes, congratulations to our champion team, Selangor, and also our runner-up, Kedah.
Ta-da!
A lot of our friends are actually really excited. They took plenty of photos on Instagram, and we're going to watch them right now. Check it out. Wait, Intan, is that me or was that Zamir on screen?
Itu Zamir lah, habis bungkus dengan bendera banyak betul. Sejurus selepas ini kita juga ada siaran ulangan Malam Kemuncak Bintang Kecil.
Oh yeah, because we have to say congratulations to those winners too. So congratulations to Halim in first place, second place for Hana, and in third place it's Hafiz.
Jangan lupa persembahan terbaik jatuh kepada adik mukris kita. Tanya kepada kesemua peserta yang telah pemara ke peringkat akhir. Ingat, anda semua adalah juara.
Now, if you want to be a winner too, join us on our Facebook contest, Chatime Malaysia. What is the password for tonight?
Chatime Dark Chocolate Series.
Love it. Remember though, you cannot use the passwords until much later. So keep that password, upload your latest photos, and we will see you guys on another night. Kevin and Intan, we're signing out. Bye!
Night!